Hi everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm Lisa with Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and it's a new garden install day. So today we're going to be turning a yard into a beautiful garden. So we want to walk you through some steps to achieve this and just show you a little bit of what we're doing today. So first I want to talk about what kind of garden we're installing, and what the goals are for today, and then we're going to show you some clips of how we achieved this beautiful new garden. So I came to this yard for a design consultation. We've already done a few gardens in this beautiful setting, this beautiful client's home here, previous to this garden, but they have this new area here that was compacted. There was some grass growing. It wasn't very nice soil. And I originally came because they have a new deck here, and so they wanted some curb appeal around the deck, and also this new seating area, this new patio. So my suggestion was to make this whole garden, this whole area into garden was my suggestion, because number one, what you're not seeing yet is they have a stunning view. So behind the camera is this beautiful pond, and it has the sunrise view. So the two seating areas here that are going to be well used are going to be overlooking the pond. So why not also be looking at a beautiful garden, right? So that's going to frame this stunning view. So one of the things I love the most about a garden is sitting in it, and you will essentially be sitting in the garden to enjoy it. So it's going to be a cottage garden theme, but there's going to be a lot of pollinator friendly plants. And also there's going to be some cutting flowers in here, because it's so nice to be able to come out and snip a few flowers and then bring them inside, or put some bouquets around when you're entertaining out here. So stay tuned. We're going to walk you through the checklist and show you some quick clips of what we're doing today.